Y'all come hang out with me and I'll show you how to make veggie and chicken bone broth. Cheers. It's been 24 hours. And strain. This is a great source of collagen. It's great for gut health, full of nutrients. You can substitute your chicken or vegetable broth for this. Way better. Want a late night snack? Drink a cup of this. If you have the time, always choose bone broth. I never buy store-bought chicken broth or bone broth. I freeze these in 1 cup portions and then I vacuum seal them once they freeze. Not only is this a great source of collagen, it's a great source of amino acids, minerals, gelatin, and protein. Cooking it over the 24-hour mark can actually break down too many compounds. Our veggie scrap bag that we've been saving. I have 2 6.5-pound chickens. Add in your water, a couple bay leaves, and cover. What we're talking about in this video is a chicken and vegetable broth, but we're going to take it a step further and make it a chicken and bone broth. And I'm also making the meat right now for a chicken salad and a chicken pot pie. It usually only takes a few hours to make a chicken broth, but since these chickens are frozen, it's going to obviously take a little bit longer. But if you're like me and you forget to take your chicken out and thaw, it's okay. Just put it in the pot. Just takes a little bit longer. Once your chicken cooks all the way through, remove your chicken. I use a cookie sheet, that way it spreads out and it cools faster. My entire house smells amazing. Keanu and I were sitting on the porch earlier and you could smell it from outside. As soon as this cools, debone your chicken. Add your chicken skin, your bones, your cartilage, everything but the meat back in. It's okay if you have a little bit of meat. And we're gonna simmer this until tomorrow. 12 to 24 hours is what's recommended. Cooking it for this length of time allows you to get all of that collagen out of the bones. That's right, ladies. Collagen. Add more water. But I'm making your chicken salad right now. Bring this to a low simmer. Cover. I'm moving this to the other burner so I can show you how I make my favorite chicken salad. I've shown y'all before, but let's do it again. I don't really want it shredded. I want it more chunky. So I'm going to roughly chop it. Back in the bowl. A couple stalks of celery. Dried cranberries. Jalapeno, of course. Usually I dry roast my pecans, but today we're going to skip that step. Mayonnaise. I like a lot of mayonnaise on mine and I probably do not have enough. So we may have to wing it. Some lime juice, probably a tablespoon or so. Salt and pepper. A tiny bit of sugar. Mix. I meant to add some garlic powder. That's not enough mayonnaise for me, so I'm going to add some sour cream. Taste it and see how much more salt you need. And I got the Hawaiian rolls to make some sliders. As Texans, our favorite gas station is where I originally got this concept from. And I've been making it this way ever since. I like the heel. Nice little fold over. Yes, sir. 20 hours. What you want is to see a few bubbles come up here and there, but not a consistent rolling boil or simmering. You don't want to cook it over 24 hours. 12 to 24 is your sweet spot.